There's nothing quite as beautiful as seeing your child's creativity and imagination flourish in their own special environment. I'm Rebecca, an interior designer specializing in kids spaces, and today I'm going to show you how we're making the most of our home through play. Growing up is all about making memories, and my focus in designing my daughter's room was to build a space that facilitates independent play, motivates her to create, and encourages hands-on learning. Baskets are a must in any kid's space. I love using them for books, toys, textiles, and dolls, and textured baskets always add life to any space. So try to look for natural materials like rattan. Like with any of my client projects, I love creating one small purposeful play area in kids' bedrooms. This helps to corral toys together in a designated space. Selecting a small storage piece like the Fleecette dollhouse will help limit the amount of toys that are kept in their rooms. It's important to maintain a calming environment in kids' bedrooms, so we just keep our favorite collectibles close at hand. Book ledges are the perfect way to add personality to any space. They introduce tons of color, help you utilize vertical height, and allow your children to see the fronts of their book collection. I love including large-scaled art prints in kids' spaces, and the ribbon picture frames are one of my favorite because they're offered in such a wide variety of sizes. Also, the plexi front protection is so much safer for little ones versus glass frames, and safety is something I'm always considering when designing kids' spaces. We always like to have extra seating on hand, and the Fleecette stools are simple in their design and super practical. You can never have enough storage in a kid's space. Try thinking outside the box by utilizing a bread basket for cute and tiny toy collections. Thanks so much for watching. I hope these ideas inspire you to make the most of your time at home with your little one.